An 11-month-old from Marietta is on the road to recovery after being discharged from the Akron Children's Hospital on Tuesday. Little Harvey has been fighting a rare disease for the past 8 months. That is the topic of this week's This Is Home.
This is Home, sponsored by A1 Heating and Cooling and TB Dentistry.
A bell-ringing ceremony was held on Tuesday at the Akron Children's Hospital for 11-month-old Harvey. Harvey was diagnosed with a rare, life-threatening disease known as HLH. This disease is an immune deficiency disorder where part of the immune system is either missing or defective. Shortly after his diagnosis, Harvey received chemotherapy, then a bone marrow transplant. After spending 8 months in the hospital, Harvey's mother, Mary Snyder, is raising awareness on HLH and the importance of being a bone marrow donor.
I think it's really important that people sign up for Be the Match, and it's super simple, it's super easy, it's no cost, and you could save someone's life, and you never know if it'll be you.
Mary says her and her husband were both carriers of the gene mutation for HLH, causing Harvey to get the disease. We will have more on the bell ringing and Harvey's story coming up on WTAP News at 6.